let's say I was going in to do a limit buy and it missed it. It popped up, right? I was like, oh, damn it. I can't get it, right? Grab your bar, drag it up to heaven's gates and let go. Do you see how I purchased it at the exact price now? And then I'm going to right click, close position, limit order. Boom, gone. Does that make sense, everybody?
Yes.
Yes, Coach.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir.
Yep. And
I tried it before and it works.
Yep, I do that all the time. Now, sometimes if Webull acts stupid and it sits here, right? And you're like, what are you doing, dude? You were supposed to buy or sell it. If it doesn't do it, quick cancel, limit again, try it again. Because sometimes I've seen Webull, even if I drag it to like nowhere, it'll just sit there like, duh. So you got to kill the order, redo it. I'm right clicking and I'm doing market order. I want out. I'm not going to be chasing this toy. I don't want nothing to do with it anymore, right? That will be a market order. That is right now. There is no time for bullshit. Well, I'm going to try to get extra penny. Yeah. And the whole time that you're trying to save $1, right? In the blink of an eye, and it goes like this. And you go limit order here. Oh, crap. Limit order. Oh, crap. Limit. Oh, crap. Limit. Oh, crap. Market.
Yeah, that's what happens like in like Merrill Lynch and Fidelity. You got to type all that in.
Yeah, that's why I
Type
don't do it. So if I am in the red and I want out, I don't care if I tried to do market here and it sells it here, because guess what? Even if I was trying to dink around with all this, I was going to lose that money anyways. So I just get the hell out of Dodge right now. I can tell by the volume, and you guys can too, right here. If you go to your top gainers, if you are funneling through here, even in here, and you start to see a volume number like changing, flying, pop, 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 something's happening right here. You see how, of course, we're in it already, but look at how BMRA, see its volume?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's changing hands really fast. That is a high volume mover. You can see the same thing with TTOO. Look at its volume. Because look at something else. You see how it's not now, of course, once you get into the millions, it's a little bit harder, but do you see how I can tell right away by looking over here and I'll see volume coming in? The numbers are changing quick. If I go to something else, I don't see the numbers flying around. See these right here? See TTOO, BMRA. They're both still getting high volume. Now, obviously, BMRA is fading and TTOO is going up, but I can see it from here, right? If you guys all look at this 2-minute EWO on SPY, look at it downside all day, right? So entry, of course, it was red in the pre-market, right? Because we saw it fade to open. So red in the pre-market, it had this pop that scared everybody, right? Everybody lost their shirt when it did this. And then it just drove. And look at one green. Ding. Apple yesterday, 164.31. If it broke 164.31, what do we all do?
Get in.
My calls.
That's right. Or long it, buy to the upside, right?
Yes, yes.
Do you see the entry on Apple?
Yeah.
Your stop is below it. Does everybody see it? You know what's crazy? It kept touching and touching and touching. Look how many opportunities you had to make money on it yesterday. Do you see it? You know what's crazy? Look at Apple. This was the buy. Touched, never came back. New high a day. You guys all see that? Your stop is down here below it, right? Does that give you strength in the purchase now?
Yes, yes.